Let's learn how to enable dark mode. If you like to use your mobile in dark mode, you can enable it. Now I am using light mode because I personally like this light mode. If you want to enable dark mode, let's learn how to enable it. We can schedule to enable it automatically. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to display option. In here you can see light mode and dark mode. Now I already enable light mode. If you want to enable dark mode, you can click on this dark mode option. Now my mobile is going to enable dark mode. You can schedule to enable this dark mode automatically. Click on this dark mode settings. After enable this, turn on as schedule. In here you can set a custom time to enable dark mode. Start and end time you can select in here. In this method you can enable dark mode if you like.